Yes. Alright, I think this is what the setup's gonna be. Blah, blah, blah. Got the grain barrel, 110 bucks at Home Depot. Basically, this is going to feed all of these, in theory, similar to how a automatic watering bowl for a dog automatically fills the dog bowl. Let's take a look at the plants. I got some nice arugula growing in. I think I have to put some sort of plastic shielding around the neck cup so sunlight doesn't hit the rock wool, because right now it's looking a little green. These guys are doing good. These guys, we got some kale coming in. They're all doing good. Even if I like that, they're doing good. Had some seedlings that did not, or some seeds that did not germinate. Over here, we got a fresh batch. Hopefully, these guys will germinate. My spinach completely did not germinate, so I have no spinach. But hopefully, I can get some more and fill these up within the next week and start printing more modules and get these going. Yeah. The pumps right now are just strong enough to lift the water up that, basically that height, probably like 4 feet. If I want to go up and just build a wall of towers, that would be glorious. But I'm gonna need new pumps in each one. Definitely gonna have enough water to feed them though. So I just got this yesterday, so I haven't been able to drill into it and set up the spigot and the system, but hopefully by the next update I'll be able to. Some questions, people, someone wants to know exactly how this works. I think I have pretty self-explanatory, but I have a first video I made. I kind of made it to show how it works. There's a commercial system that is similar to this that costs around 350-400 bucks, except for the tubing goes on the inside. It's a little different, but this costs free, and the raw cost of the printing probably like $2 a module. I think the timer just turned off. Here, I'll have to really design a new lid, but here, this is how it works. Basically the water with the nutrients goes in there, and then it basically drains down and wets all the different net cups in the plants. That's basically it. Super easy. It's on a timer, 15-minute increments, maybe 6 times a day. The timer is a smart plug. It's a TP-Link smart plug. I have it connected to the app, and I just set the timer on the app. This is about 20 bucks. Maybe it's probably like 15 to 20 bucks on Amazon. And that's about it. So I just got to get to making this and automatically watering these guys as soon as the level hits a certain point, so I don't have to worry about that. If I don't have to worry about the level, oh my god, that would be great. Yeah, then you know there's automatic systems to introduce nutrients into the tank, but I'll tackle that eventually. For now, I just want to make sure the babies have enough water all the time. That's pretty much it. So this is the second update. It is May 1st, and then hopefully by next week these guys will have germinated and we can have some more plants growing. But they're doing good, they're doing great. Nothing bad so far.